Dobby here with another Temu unboxing. So another lot of products I picked up from Temu. Again, I purchased all these myself. I'm not sponsored or anything. So let's get this packet open and see what we've got inside. There we go. I'll give you a proper look at everything in a minute. We've got this lovely white box. Don't know what's inside that. Some of those. We'll have another little package which we'll open up in a second. One of those, and a few more little bits. So I think that's everything now. Yep, the pack is empty. So I'll clear the desk off and we'll go through these one by one like we always do. So let's start with this little package first and see what's inside it. The new cutting mat does really help for this bit. Inside we have this really dinky little tiny ratchet. It is a 1/4 inch drive ratchet. Feels fairly tight. Looks quite good. Feels fairly hefty as well. Good for getting into those little really tight little spots. Yeah, pretty pleased with this and initial impressions of it. Next one we'll open up is this one just here, which is a collection of car cleaning products. So have a quick look at them. We have a wheel brush. Selection of little wire brushes. We have a nice couple of cleaning sponges from the looks of it. A clean towel. It looks like a blind duster. I guess that must be for cleaning air vents and stuff. We have a selection of different sized brushes, for detailing brushes. And we have a big blue mitt. So let's get this open and see how it feels. Yeah, we've got a blue hand now. That's pretty cool. Next up we have this cut resistant sleeve. So I got this for when I'm reaching up into like engine bays. I did think it was a pack of 2, but it's only a pack of 1. Yeah, so get that nice in the shot. And basically pop it on your arm, like so. Let me quickly pop it on. I'll put it back in the shot. And there we are now. Sorry about the camera, but it basically protects your forearms from getting scratched up and cut. Especially useful when you're reaching into tight spots. Let me take it off quickly. Yeah, I'll give this a go, see how it works. What we got in this packet was a selection of washer tablets. So this makes washer fluid. All you have to do is just quickly take one out. We've got a tablet inside. Add them to some water and it fizzes up and makes some nice window cleaning. How it works, I'll let you know. Got quite a few of them. Pretty bad, not bad at all. Obviously with all the tools, I'll give you a what's in my toolbox review on them as I've used them enough to give them a solid test. Get this package open and see what's inside it. Then just pull it without cutting. Inside here, I believe it should be a blowtorch adapter. But yeah, it's a nice little blowtorch adapter. Let me have a quick look and see if I've got a gas bottle that will fit this. I'll be back in a second. So I did manage to find a gas cylinder that fits it. This one is standard camping butane cinders. They're pretty common pretty much everywhere. They can normally come in packs of 4. So all you do is pop it on like that, twist it on. Get it started. It's pretty aggressive. I'll turn it off quickly because I don't want to burn anything. Yeah, not bad though. Really useful for heating up bolts and stuff. Obviously once I've used it a bit, I'll let you know how I get on with it. See how well it lasts. The thing in this Temu ToolHaul is this little box here. It's quite a big box actually. And inside it should be a syringe sucking out fluids of all different varieties. So we've got a couple of spare ovens, always handy. And we've got an extendable tube. I guess these go together somehow. Let me have a quick look. I imagine they join somehow like this. Maybe like this. Yeah, I imagine that's how they go on. It gives you a nice long extension, but you can take it apart too. And then we have the actual syringe itself. Is a 500ml syringe. It's got a big one, barely fits on the camera. It's about the length of my number plate, so it's a standard UK number plate in the back. So it's quite a long old syringe. Quite a bit of force behind it. Yeah. Obviously you connect this part on there as well. And then if you need to suck out fluids of any sort, it'd be really useful for gearbox fluid and brake fluid that you're trying to drain out. That's certainly what I'm planning to use it for. So not the biggest haul, but there's still plenty of cool items here. Obviously if there's anything on Temu you think I should try out and you want me to try out, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to get hold of it and try it out. I'm pretty pleased with everything I picked up here. Once I've used it all, there'll be a what's in my toolbox on it. Give you a full rundown of what I feel about them, my full thoughts on them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.